everyone, today I have Birchbox and Ipsy for April, and I thought I would share them together and see which one is good this month. So let's open Birchbox first. This is the box this month, and I actually think it's quite pretty. It's got flowers. I'm ready for spring. Maybe they are too. It says, feed your mind, body, and soul. They have a book pick. Not that they've ever sent a book, but let's see. Ooh, this is caps fell off, but this is Away volume spray, full size 26. And I don't normally blow dry my hair, but I might sometimes. And this is a spray that you put in your hair when it's wet to add heat protection, and it gives some bounce and body, and do like some voluminous hair if I can get it, so I don't mind that. And that at full size is $26. Ooh, and then I got this. This says that it is a brow gel, and it's by the brand Butanic Beauty. Its full size is 12, so that's really affordable. It says it's in the color brunette, and it has a lightweight aloe vera formula, and it doesn't flake or fade. So that sounds really nice because I love brow gel, and this is the kind of little spoolie it has, and it's brunette color, so then you just like kind of put it in your eyebrows. I don't know how it's gonna go. I hope I didn't just mess them up, but I like brow gel and I like brow products in general, so hopefully this one will be good. This is Wander Beauty Catch the Light Highlighter and Glow Lotion, like a glow lotion. And it's full size 34. Apply this highlighting liquid that's part highlighting duo, infused with microfine curls to give skin a golden glow. So that's it on my hand. I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of like a subtle gold color. Oh, that's way too much. So that's it. This is it. So it's very, when you put a lot on, it's very glowy. So that's the color it gives. It's a nice color. It's a liquid. I don't use a lot of liquid highlighters, but I could always try. And in the summer, I feel like it's kind of nice to mix them in with your foundation. So this one's full size is 34, and it's in this little container. It's a nice size for a sample. I have the Kula SPF Dawn Patrol Makeup Primer, full size 42. It's a makeup sunscreen hybrid, so that sounds really nice. It's not like super full, but I do like primers and I do like sunscreen, so I think this will be nice to try, especially since we're coming into summer. Not sure what this is. Then we have this, and this is a Bio Sensibio Eye Contour Gel, full size $19.90, and it's an eye cream with contains caffeine and hyaluronic acid to depuff, hydrate, and soothe your eye area. So that sounds nice. It's an itty bitty one, but it'll probably be pretty good. So that's everything in my box. I do like the brow gel, the contour eye cream, the makeup primer, the volume spray, and the highlighter lotion thing. So like everything in this box I will actually use, which is very rare, especially for Birchbox. But let's see what's in Ipsy. So this month they've also done a spring bag and done a butterfly theme with a rosy gold zip. And in this bag, the first thing is this, and they don't have a card, and it says it's an Aurora for all lip lovers, and it's a lipstick, like a lip stain. It's like a reddish pink, hot pink. It has this like nib on it that's like a marker. So I think it like sets down into like a popsicle, like you've been eating a popsicle color, but that's it on my hand. I actually quite like it. I think the formula seems like it's gonna stay. I think it's supposed to be this color on the tip. If you can see, that's kind of like a fruit punch color. It looks nice. Mine's in the color Lively Lip Stain, or is that what it's just called? Mine's in the color Salmon. It's salmon color. Then we have a Perlice Coconut Oil and Coffee Body Scrub, Sugar Scrub. So this sounds good because I like body scrubs and or exfoliators, and that's what it's in. And coffee sounds like a good smell. Oh, it does smell like coffee. It smells like coconut coffee. It smells so nice. Like this would really make you feel like you're on vacation, or like you should be drinking coffee. Maybe it'll wake you up. I never shower in the morning. I always shower at night. 90% of the time, but it's still nice. Ooh, this is nice. This is the Tidal by Sunday Riley Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. And this is a nice size sample of it. It doesn't really have much of a smell, but I like Sunday Riley products, and I think that this is a good size sample, and I'm surprised to see it in Ipsy because it is a more expensive brand, but I'm a big fan of theirs, so I'm really excited to get this in my... Then I got an itty bitty guy, and this is by Paula Dorf, and it looks to be a brown eyeshadow, or it's actually, this one is a bronzer in the color Bora Bora. And orange is the new black. Lorna tells Nikki that she thinks it's called Bora 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 with 3 Boras. She's like, no, it's just Bora Bora. She's like, no, there's 3 Boras. It's really smooth and soft. It's not super easy to pigment. I put it right here. It's a nice color. It's subtle, so it's not too dark. Kind of like a cool, actually more like an orangey bronzer, so I'm not sure how this will get on with me. It might be for like all over bronze, but it's not super glowy, so I'll have to see how I get on with this, but it might be okay. And then I got a brush. Actually got 2 brushes, though I think only one is meant to be with this box because one I redeemed with my points. So I think I redeemed the Luxie brush, which I really do like their brushes, and this one is like an angled shadow brush. So that's really nice. So I redeemed my points for this. And then this is the brush that I got in my bag, which is very similar. It's called Firma, and it says number 202 on it. And I love the packaging on this. And I like the brush tip. It's got like a angled, it's like a bigger version of this. So it's really soft, and it seems like it would be good for getting in there. And it's just a really nice brush. So I'm really happy to have 2 new brushes in my bag this month. And honestly, like, I can't pick a favorite box this month. I liked things from both, and I liked most of the products in both of the boxes. So I think it's a tie this month. Let me know what you thought in the comments, because I'm surprised to get both of them so good. I usually never have that, and my Birchbox was actually really nice this month, and I felt like my Ipsy was too. Both had some unique brands, and both of them had like some really great brands that I've heard of, so I really enjoyed both of my boxes this month. So I'll see you guys later.